Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your bro, hope you're doing well, and in this video we're going to discuss data structures and algorithms. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you wouldn't mind, please like, comment, and subscribe. One like equals one prayer for the YouTube algorithm. Here's a few of the topics that we're going to cover in this series. First, we will learn about basic data structures, followed by Big O notation, then searching algorithms, sorting algorithms, graphs, and trees. Be sure to look for the timestamps in this video's description. Well, what's a data structure? Simply put, a data structure is a named location that can be used to store and organize data. Here's a real-life example. Think of a family tree. It's a hierarchy of family relationships. We need some way to organize all of this data. A tree is a data structure. What about arrays? We have a little bit of experience with those. An array is a collection of elements stored at contiguous memory locations. That's another example of a data structure. It's basically a named location that can be used to store and organize data. Different data structures store and organize data in different ways. Each of them has their own pros and cons. Well, what's an algorithm? An algorithm is a collection of steps to solve a problem. It's the steps to a solution. Here's an example. I'm hungry and I need a pizza. That's my problem. An algorithm to bake a pizza could be 1. Heat the oven, 2. Knead the dough, 3. Add the toppings, and then eventually you'll solve your problem of not being hungry anymore. So that's a real-life example of an algorithm. One algorithm that you're probably familiar with is a linear search. Suppose we have an array of elements and I need to find a value. Using a linear search, we would, one by one, examine the elements of an array to find a value. A linear search is an example of a searching algorithm. I know what you're probably thinking. Why do I need to learn data structures and algorithms? What's the point? Well, let me tell you. You'll write code that is both time and memory efficient. And 2 commonly asked questions involve data structures and algorithms in coding job interviews. Do you know how to reverse a doubly linked list? No, you don't, do you? So you should probably watch this series. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's begin.